Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday afternoon, September 26th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the S&P. So what happened today? Basically nothing. It was a pretty interesting day. First of all, really nice range. We can't complain about range. It was $7.18. Volume is like 85 million shares, with the after hours still to come. So even though, we're still below average, still not bad, considering our average is just under 97 million. Basically an inside day, I would call it, right? We did take out Friday's low, but not by a lot. We attempted early to possibly come into balance on the daily. Didn't happen. Tried to come out of balance to the downside. Couldn't do it. All we did was take out Friday's low. We did not take out the yearly low or December of 20's low. Triple Qs had no issue in the first hour of trading going to fill the gap. They took out Friday's high and filled the gap. And guess what? That's it. They came back in. They end 9 wide with today's high and low. So they're back to balance on the daily. Now, IWM. They did not take out Friday's high. Righty did. So Righty's technically back in balance. IWM is still down. And in fact, I would imagine Righty might be an outside day down since they took out Friday's high. So Righty, IWM, ES, and SPY did not even get near their gap, which is a decent gap for us. So nothing's changed in the bigger picture. The monthly's balanced. The weekly's down. The daily is down. I had a good day today, and I changed from longs to shorts when the market told me to. So I was long, basically in A, B, and C. Why? Because the market was telling me that we went from value from unchanged to overlapping a higher. We took out the overnight high. So I was long and did well on those. I actually took a long in D period because I didn't think we'd go trend down either after taking out the IB low finally. So I did well on longs A through D. Then in G period, I did take a short play, and mostly the whole afternoon was shorts. I took a short in G when we had the singles. Trading against those did well. Then I went long in G because it didn't look like the singles would hold, and did okay on that. And then the rest of the afternoon, I shorted H, I shorted J, and I shorted K. I did okay in K. I had a one lot. I recycled like 6. I did well. Had a one lot that I took off for a 10-point loss. Only a one lot. Would have ended up making money if I held on to it, but took it off. I was having a good day. I didn't want to give anything back, and that's it. I didn't do anything in L or M. As far as destinations on the upside, in SPY, all you have is today's high is 370.21. And then you should have everything I gave you on Friday. For the downside, all you have is today's low is 363.03, daily low. You should have everything on Friday I gave you to the downside. In ES, today's low is 57.50. And then today's high is 37.30.50. Now, looking at end period, they're trying to trade at the lows. Now, today was Rosh Hashanah. It ends tomorrow night, so you still might have another day where not the whole full workforce is in. But even without that, you still had good range and decent volume today. Now, let's go to the chart. So here's the monthly. Again, we're below the trend line. How many times are we going to keep testing this balance low? If we do finally get below it with acceptance, keyword, we should go and test this balance low, which is between 320 and 327 at some point. That would be my next target on the monthly. But again, first things first, got to take out the monthly low, the balance low, and get acceptance. Weekly, firmly down. Nothing's changed there. Next destination is that 327.24 level, which would be the top of my that range that I'm talking about on the next monthly, between 320 and 327. There you go. Okay? But it's down the weekly. And the daily, clearly down, clearly making lower lows. Again, I will kind of treat this as an inside day, which means if we come out of it to the downside, you monitor it for continuation or lack of, which would mean continuation would mean for me taking out the balance low and getting going. If we take it out to the upside, that would mean possibly getting into and filling the gap at some point and coming into a 3-day balance. Again, it all remains to be seen. But for now, sellers are firmly in control. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.